Finding the courage to change. Discovering worthiness. A long time ago, and a lifetime from here, I was an unhappy young mother and housewife. I had everything, but something was still missing. I was discontented, irritable, and bored. I was emotionally dysfunctional and didn't know it. I found a book in my husband's sock drawer, Divorce for Dummies. We had already gone through one separation before our first child was born. But with a young child, I knew that it would be best if we could make our relationship work. We began meditation classes and counseling. I also took other physical classes. My feelings of worthiness began to increase. With each new skill I tried to master, I had more reasons to feel better about my life and my direction. A friend suggested that I try daily journaling. I resisted, but he insisted that I would get a lot out of it. The book on journaling that he recommended was loosely based on the 12 steps. Without knowing it, I essentially began working the steps. After the first 6 weeks of free writing, the author encouraged her readers to look back at their writing and look for patterns. I was shocked by the patterns that I found in my behavior and thoughts. I found negative patterns, but to my surprise, I also found good patterns. And I could see that I was receiving interesting new ideas from something outside of myself. Through the practice of writing a daily journal, I began my inventory. In the process, I discovered my worthiness. Every day, I discover a little bit more.